Hello everyone, welcome back to Spicy and Delicious Goodness. Today we're making toasted donuts that are simple and very delicious. I'm gonna show you how to make this delicious snack at home. Here are the ingredients we're gonna use. 1 cup of warm milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 large egg. The egg should be at room temperature. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and you whisk it all. Once you're done whisking, measure 3 cups of flour and sift. Once you're done sifting your 3 cups of all-purpose flour, add 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. 1 teaspoon is half of a whole nutmeg. Add a packet of yeast, which is usually 2 1/4 teaspoon. Mix to combine. Add wet ingredients to dry ingredients. You could use your hand, a spatula, or a hand mixer. If this is your first time watching, welcome. I hope you enjoyed this video and other videos on the channel. After the dough is properly combined, transfer to your work surface. Knead for about 7 to 10 minutes to create some gluten. Oil your hand or the surface if it's too sticky. Shout out to all of those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. You are truly appreciated. Thank you. After it's perfectly kneaded, oil your bowl and transfer the dough inside. Cover it with a plastic wrap and napkin. Put it in a warm place to proof for about 60 to 90 minutes. After 60 minutes, the dough has doubled in size. Deflate and cut into 16 pieces. After cutting 16 pieces, roll them into little balls. After rolling them into balls, cover them up with plastic wrap to prevent them from drying up. Dust the bowl with flour to prevent the donuts from sticking to it. Roll the dough. Make sure you start from the middle so it's even throughout. When your dough is at your desired length, roll and twist. Make sure your hands are going the opposite directions from each other. Then hold up and let it twist on its own. Pinch the ends together so it doesn't fall apart when you're frying it. This demonstration will be repeated a couple more times so you can get the hang of it. Don't worry if yours is not perfect the first few times. Try more and it'll get better. This is another way to do it if you're having a problem with the first technique. Roll the same as before, but this time you'll manually twist it. If you are new or have been watching my videos and you are yet to subscribe, please click the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and click the like button, and share. After you're done twisting, cover and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. And after you're done, flip it around and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes before frying. Let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. While it is resting, heat up the oil at medium or medium-high heat before frying. To make sure the oil is hot enough, check with a skewer or a wooden spoon. When it's sizzled, it's ready. Fry the donut and make sure you move them around so they don't burn. Fry them till they're golden brown, then take them out. Regulate the heat so they cook all through. If the oil is too hot, they will be cooked on the outside and not the inside. And when the heat is too low, they will soak up the oil. The first batch is done. I'm gonna repeat the same thing until it's done. To prepare the sugar coating, use a Ziploc bag, add a 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and shake. When it's properly combined, add the donuts and shake. Don't forget to sugar coat it when it's hot so the sugar will stick. Wow, doesn't that look so delicious and pretty? But it's hot right now. Give this recipe a try. It's very simple and delicious. Leave a message in the comments saying how yours turned out. Thanks for watching. If you are yet to subscribe, please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Like, share the video, stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Till I see you next time. Bye!